Silent letters, the ninjas of English. Some letters in English are silent. They sneak into words and say nothing. Meet the silent letters, the ninjas of English. They are there, but invisible in sound, such as knit. K is silent. Walk. The L just chills. Receipt. P? What P? Why are they there? Blame history. Many words come from Old French, Latin, or German. We kept the spelling but dropped the sound. Want some quick examples? Island, the S is silent. Night, the GH is silent. Lamb, the poor bee never gets heard. Silent letters make English tricky, but also kind of fun. So next time you spell psychology, smile. You are writing a word that does not say everything it shows. Silent letters, heard by none, spelled by all. Thank you.